Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Diffle puzzle. This is Wordle, but we don't know how long the word is, so I like to start with a word that's got all the vowels in, and I often go for facetious, and let's do so again today. Interesting. So we get a green A and a green C. That means they appear in the word in that order, but they would be joined together if they appeared consecutively, so we know there's at least one letter between them. We've also got a yellow E, that means it appears in the word, but it's not in the right place. So in this instance, that means it has to be before the C. We don't know if it becomes before or after the A yet. So the A and the C are not consecutive. That is quite restricting, to be fair. A blank E. Do I think there's going to be an E between the A and the C, or do I think it's going to be EA and then another letter and then the C? Not quite sure, and we've ruled out a whole bunch of other letters as well, particularly the S. So it's not going to be something like seance. And it can't be bleach. EACH is a really common pattern, but it has to be EA blank CH, if anything. Something like that. Can't even be detach. And of course there could be other letters after the H. Could be an R, something arch. But then how are we going to fit the E into the sequence? D-march, re-march. Not convinced. Let's put the R in. Oh, it could just be search. Oh no, it can't be search because we've ruled out the S. That makes things a whole lot trickier as well then, doesn't it? If it's not search, I want it to be lurch, but of course, England is stupid because lurch is not spelt the same way as search, even though they sound the same. We could have an N in there. But then I'd probably want to put an E in the end, like seance, and we've just established that there isn't a C before, there isn't an E after the C. Could be an R. Don't know why there would be. I'm thinking maybe something like ancestry, but then the C would be before the E, and also we can't use the S or the T. But apart from that, it's a great guess. Oh dear, what is this word? I've only got 3 letters, and I've already completely run out of ideas. What about if the E is after the A? Something like, I was thinking accept, but obviously that's not right. Avoset is clearly not right either. But it could be an ANCY ending, couldn't it? Or an ENCY ending. Can't be vacancy, because we need to use an A and an E. What could it be? Emergency doesn't have both an A and an E in it. There's got to be something that fits. Oh, I was about to do regency, but that's also 2 E's. No A's. What on earth has got an A and an E in? Oh, goodness. Lamancy? That's not a word, is it? Didn't think it was in the word list. What on earth am I thinking of that's something similar to that? I don't know. Necromancy. I mean, that's got both letters in. It can't be correct because it's also got an O in it, and we've ruled out the O. But let's just try it. It is going to be an ENCY ending. That doesn't help. It's definitely an NCY ending. You can see they're all joined together, so they're consecutive, and it's got a hard border after the Y, not a rounded border, so that means it's definitely the last letter. Oh, it's just agency, isn't it? Of course it is. I definitely should have got that on my second guess. That was always going to be a slow one, but once I found the incy ending, I should have got agency. Oh, has the advantage of not using the O, unlike the previous guess. Anyway, very happy to get that in 3, very annoyed not to get it in 2. That is Diffle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.